The 2026 Ford GT MKIV unveiled, and it's not just a car, it's a full-blown track weapon. Born from racing heritage and built with cutting-edge technology, the MKIV is here to dominate the performance world with an unapologetically aggressive stance and an attitude that screams speed. This isn't just a Ford, this is a final chapter in a legacy of American performance. Performance. Under the hood, pure fury. The 2026 GT MKIV features a twin-turbo V6 engine, pushing an estimated 800-plus horsepower, paired with a race-ready transmission and an advanced track-tuned suspension system. It's built on a longer wheelbase chassis, optimized for aerodynamics and corner carving precision. Top speed, mind-blowing. Acceleration, neck-snapping. This GT MKIV isn't street legal for a reason, it's built exclusively for the track, and it shows in every turn, every shift, every roar of the engine. Exterior design. The exterior is where function meets fury. With a carbon fiber body, massive rear diffuser, active aero elements, and an aggressive front splitter, the MKIV looks like it was pulled straight from a Le Mans pit lane. Every curve, every vent, every wing serves a purpose, to slice through the air and keep the car glued to the ground. This isn't about looking pretty, it's about pure, undiluted performance. Interior design. Inside, it's all business. The interior of the 2026 GT MKIV is stripped down for racing. Bucket seats, harnesses, and a digital performance dashboard dominate the cabin. No infotainment, no luxury trim, just carbon fiber, Alcantara, and raw focus. It's a cockpit designed for one thing: winning. Ford didn't build this for comfort, they built it to destroy lap times. Fuel efficiency. Let's be real, if you're looking at the GT MKIV, fuel efficiency probably isn't your concern. This beast gulps fuel the way a race car should. Ford hasn't prioritized MPG, and honestly, that's the point. It's about performance over practicality. It's not a daily driver, it's a track day predator. The 2026 Ford GT MKIV isn't trying to fit in, it's designed to stand alone at the top. With only a handful being built, it's an instant collector's item and a powerful send-off to Ford's GT legacy. It's raw, rare, and relentless. If this is how Ford closes the GT chapter, they've done it with a roar that will echo for decades.